there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we dive deep into the world of gadgets to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're soaring to new heights with a drone showdown between the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone. Let's call it the Bwine F7 and the ATTOP Drone W10, our ATTOP W10. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be fly. First up, the Bwine F7, priced at $258. It's like the Rolls-Royce of drones. Fancy, right? For that money, it better fly itself to the moon and back. But hold on the right, we have the ATTOP W10, coming in at just $69. That's cheaper than a dinner date. If you're balling on a budget, the ATTOP W10 is already winning your heart and your wallet. Let's talk cameras. The Bwine F7 boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like having a mini Hollywood director in the sky. You'll be shooting blockbusters while your neighbors are still figuring out how to use their selfie sticks. On the flip side, the ATTOP W10 offers a 1080p HD camera with a 120 degrees wide view. Not too shabby for capturing your dog's zoomies in the backyard, but Spielberg it ain't. Reviews for the Bwine F7 praise its high-definition footage, though some mention its lack of stabilization. Meanwhile, the ATTOP W10 is appreciated for its decent quality at a low price, despite some complaints about camera control issues. Now, let's get into flight functions. The Bwine F7 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got GPS, optical flow mode, waypoint flying, point of interest orbiting, and even a follow me mode. It's practically a flying stalker, but in a good way. The ATTOP W10, however, is no slouch. It has headless mode, 360 degrees flips, trajectory fly, and 3 speed settings. It's like a circus performer, entertaining and full of tricks. But can it follow you around like a lost puppy? Nope, that's a Bwine F7 exclusive. Reviewers love the Bwine F7's versatile functions, while the ATTOP W10 is praised for its fun, easy-to-use features, though some note its limitations in control. Ease of use? The Bwine F7 is beginner-friendly, with tutorials and a beginner mode. It's like having a personal drone coach. The ATTOP W10, on the other hand, is so easy to use, even your grandma could fly it. Toss to launch, one key takeoff landing, it's like the drone equivalent of a microwave. Set it and forget it. Reviewers find the Bwine F7 relatively easy to operate with some learning curve, whereas the ATTOP W10 is praised for its straightforward, user-friendly design, though some mention occasional drifting issues. Safety first, folks! The Bwine F7 has a one-key return function, auto-return when the battery is low, and GPS positioning. Losing this drone is harder than losing your keys. Unless you're me, then everything is fair game. The ATTOP W10 comes with propeller guards and a low battery warning. It's like a drone with training wheels. Perfect for avoiding those oops, I crashed it into a tree moments. Reviewers appreciate the Bwine F7's robust safety features, while the ATTOP W10's basic safety measures are seen as adequate for beginners. Overall, the Bwine F7 is highly praised for its premium features, high-quality camera, and extensive flight functions, though some users note its high price and occasional technical issues. The ATTOP W10 is loved for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, despite some limitations in control and camera quality. Both drones have their strengths, making them suitable for different types of users. So, there you have it. If you want a high-end drone with all the bells and whistles, the Bwine F7 is your go-to. But if you're looking for something fun, affordable, and easy to use, the ATTOP W10 is a fantastic choice. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep soaring high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.